Okay, let's move on to our vocabulary, and we have a lot of vocabulary to do today about two very important topics actually that I'm sure you will be interested in. So here are all our words. This is only one half of them, be warned. These focus on the natural world, so our world and all the natural elements of it. Of course, what you need to do now is to find a dictionary, translate these words into your own language, and then we can move on. Okay, obviously I don't expect you to remember them all, but just have a little go at that before we move on so you have some idea about the words. Pause the video and do that now. Okay, great. Now let's do a quick knowledge check, right? Have a look at these three pictures. What are they? Let's look at the first one. Some of you might say the UK if you know your maps well. But what is the UK is really what I'm asking you. What is this? Pause and answer. It is a country. Okay, this picture was trying to represent a country. Maybe I didn't choose the best one, but that is a country. So the UK is a country. India is a country, France is a country, Malaysia is a country. These are all countries. Okay, the next one. What animal is this? Pause and answer. It is indeed a penguin, a cute little penguin. And finally, this one's a little bit tricky. I want you to imagine that this is a body of land. I didn't maybe find such a good picture. A piece of land, and it's got water surrounding it. So it's surrounded by water, and sometimes it might have some palm trees, like I put a picture of here. So what is that? Pause and answer. It is an island. An island. Can you think of any islands? Let me have a think. If you know the country Sri Lanka at the south of India, that is an island country. The UK is also an island, or perhaps you know Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Those are all islands, so it's a piece of land surrounded by water. Okay, good job. Second set of words. As you can see here, I've put two different coloured boxes. The ones that are a bit more orangey are environment words, and the others are all natural world. But of course, there is going to be some overlap between the two. So I want you to do the same thing again. Get a dictionary, translate it to your own language, and try to go through as many words as you can. Pause and do that now. Super. Okay, let's do a quick knowledge check of some of those words. What is the first picture? Okay, what is that in the middle of it? Pause and answer. It is a river. Well done if you got that one. What about the next picture? Pause and answer. It's a waterfall. A waterfall. Well done. And finally, what does this picture represent? These three arrows going round and round. Maybe you know what it represents. Recycling, or to recycle. Good job. A really important thing as part of the environment and learning about how to take care of our environment. Excellent. Okay, let's test your knowledge even further now. Here are lots of pictures and here are lots of words. Okay, we need to match the word to the picture. We're going to start right at the top. Have a look at this cute little picture. What is it? Pause and answer. Well, I hope you said bee. This is a bee. Sometimes we say bumblebee, okay? It's a special type of bee. What about this next picture? This animal's often found in Australia. If you've ever been to Australia, you might have seen one. I've never seen one. What is this? Pause and answer. It is a kangaroo. Good job. Next one. What is this picture of? I'm sure you all know it. Pause and answer. It's grass. I'm sure we've all seen a bit of grass sometime. Next one. This is a direction, but what direction is it? Pause and answer. It is east. East, okay? For me, this is east right now, but east is I suppose you would go right or left, but you know that we do. Never eat shredded wheat to work it out. Or, for example, Calcutta is in the east of India. Okay, next one. What do we have here? Pause and answer. We have a leaf. A leaf, very good. And next, what direction is this? Well, it's the opposite of east and therefore it's west. And finally, well, we only have one word left, but what is this? The sun is coming up. Pause and answer. It is sunrise. Okay, so sunrise is in the morning when the sun comes up, and sunset is at night when the sun looks like it's going down. Okay, good job. Okay.